In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to meet Google Translate, a process that's not just exciting but quintessential in today's global workspace, especially where communication is the key. Whether you're a professional looking to enhance your international collaborations, a student aiming to bridge language barriers in your studies, or simply a curious mind eager to explore, you've come to the right place. Follow along with this easy step-by-step guide that will get you up and running in just about 5 minutes. Imagine this. You're gearing up for an international meeting or a multicultural project, and you realize the need for a seamless translation tool that not just works in real time, but is also reliable and user-friendly. That's where Google Meet integrated with Google Translate comes into play, providing you a platform where communication knows no bounds. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Google Meet website. Here, it's as simple as signing in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you're going to be looking for the New Meeting option. Clicking on this gives you the power to start a fresh new conversation from scratch, a blank canvas if you will, waiting for your creative and collaborative endeavors. Upon clicking New Meeting, you'll notice a drop-down with several options. Here, you're going to want to select Start an Instant Meeting. It's practically a shortcut to getting your meeting up and running without any delay. And just like that, without any fuss or hassle, your meeting room is ready, waiting for participants to join. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Notice the caption button on your meeting interface. It's clearly marked with CC and is your gateway to breaking down language barriers. Clicking this button is the first step in activating the translation capabilities within your meeting. After clicking on the caption button, you'll be presented with a list of languages. For this instance, let's click on English. This action ensures that your spoken words get translated and captioned in English in real time. It's not just about understanding each other better, but also about inclusivity, ensuring every participant, regardless of their native language, is on the same page. And there you have it, a straightforward no-fuss guide to leveraging Google Meet integrated with Google Translate, designed to make your meetings more productive, inclusive, and without any language barriers. The beauty of this tool lies not only in its ability to translate, but also in its simplicity and ease of use. Now, as you go forth and use this powerful feature, remember, the world is your oyster, and language is no longer a barrier but a bridge. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Embrace the power of communication without limits and see how it transforms your interactions, your work, and the world around you. Happy translating.